Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Experts say that $10 Shib will be possible by 2024 thanks to this new method and plan. News about Shibas today. Shiba Inu is a well-known cryptocurrency in its field, and by market cap, it is the second biggest meme cryptocurrency. People say that the token gave rise to several joke coins in the industry, including Big Shiba, Shibavax, Captain Shibaro, and more. It is built on top of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, a project that aims to encourage the growth of autonomous communities in the cryptocurrency world. The token runs the ecosystem and makes it easier to do things within it, like managing the network and paying for things on Shiba Swap, the decentralized Shiba Inu exchange site. In addition, it's useful. We will talk about why experts say $10 Shib by 2024 in this video. This is because of this new way and initiative. News about Shibas today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. Let's start the video right away. Dogecoin is the only other joke coin that is more popular than Shiba Inu when it comes to community-focused cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu is the joke coin that everyone is talking about, so it has stock on all the best crypto platforms, like Binance and Coinbase. There is a blog series by Shiba Inu creator Satoshi Kusama that talks about the Shibarium Layer 2 beta. There were calls for Shibarium again after the blog post from February 15th spread through crypto Twitter. Analysts think that the launch of Shibarium could lead to a rise in value, which would be helped by the interest it generates. A record number of 1.2 million people have at least a certain amount of Shib in their wallets. Never before have so many investors chosen to spread their holdings in such a big way as by adding Shiba Inus. Shibarium is just a layer 2 that is known for having some unique properties. And the most careful experts say that will be good for Shib. Of course, the most informed people in the industry say that the release of Shibarium will help the meme coin grow a lot. Even though the so-called whales don't move, the value is going to go up soon. But the even bigger news came from Kusama's reply to a small tweet. She revealed that a Shibarium video teaser would be released sometime during the week of February 20th. Shibarium didn't get there until later because core team member Carl Diria wasn't there. But his return to the team has raised hopes that the launch will happen soon. In her blog post from February 15, Kusama said that the start of the Shibarium beta would depend on Diria coming back to the turn after losing his father. Kusama also said that she has recently been the target of personal attacks online. However, the effort to get people excited about Shibarium has already started. With the blog posts and the movie on the way, Shibarium finally looks like it's ready to be used. To get people excited about the Shib army, Kusama wrote on her blog that people from all over the world should join the new Shibarium movement. The blog says that Shiba Inus can stand for a set of universal values that are acceptable with both Web3 and older religions. There are many reasons why people in the Shiba Inu community have high standards. One of the most reliable sources on Shib and Shibarium news recently said that lead creator Satoshi gave hints that the launch is this week. Recently, Satoshi turned off messaging on the main Shibarium Telegram channel as well. He also said that messages would work again as soon as all the Shibarium papers were ready. Even though not much else was said, these actions lead to rumors that the decision was made to get rid of noise and false information before the beta version of the L2 network goes live. The much talked about event could be the start of the next wave of bullish sentiment for Shib. The most recent whale numbers show that among the top 2,000 ETH whales, Shib was the third most used smart contract in the last 24 hours. If the Shibarium beta start happens this week, Shib might get more interest. It could start the next wave of price growth for Shib. Since the end of the strong rise at the beginning of the year, the bulls have been trying hard to get back in charge since the first week of February. A few days ago, Shib's 50-day MA made a golden cross, which is another sign that the time may be right for a strong recovery. At the same time, the measures showed a bit of a negative outlook. It's worth mentioning that the supply on exchanges has decreased by a large amount over the last 4 weeks, while the supply outside of platforms has increased. In terms of how people feel right now, weighted mood has dropped a lot in the last few days. At the same time, there was more push to sell this past week, which suggests that the market as a whole was in favor of bears. In the next few days, The exchange flows are likely to show a change in the weighted sentiment and the reserve result. To put it another way, if the start of Shibarium leads to a rise in demand, more money will likely leave the market. Most people agree that Shibarium will make the Shiba Inu environment more useful, which will lead to more organic demand. But for now, this is just a thought experiment because the start is still a few days away. People say that Shiba Inus can get past pressing problems like whales entering Shib waters and making the tides rise. The rise in the delivery amount that goes through the EMA is an early sign of a big move. The bulls are still going strong and are taking a break near the important 50% fib line. The token is also doing very well above its important moving averages. With buyers acting straight up, Shiba token shows some pretty strong patterns. The way the price is moving shows that the bulls are trying to break through the flag pattern scala. The token also wants to get out of the supply zone of $0.15, which is the first obstacle. In the past few weeks, when the token was going through a downward phase, bulls made a base near $0.800 and made a double bottom pattern. After that, buyers rolled over prices from the demand zone, and in the last 20 trading sessions, prices have gone up by 30%. On February 20, the 4-hour chart showed that Shiba was trading inside the rising parallel channel, with higher highs and lows. Since the beginning of 2023, prices have slowly been going up. This is a good sign for buyers for the coming months. The long-awaited move by Shiba token is about to happen if it goes above the $0.1500 range in the next few sessions. Now that the Bollinger Band is coming together, it's possible that the upper end will be broken. The token also wants to go back to its previous high of $0.1800. The token's price was stuck in a small band last year. By pushing the bull back to the support zone, the bears are trying to break its strength. The price of Shiba tokens wants to go back to the previous highs by filling in the holes. This week, the value of the token went up by 15%, which was good for buyers. Also, the huge volume this week shows that the token is ready for a big move. The Canadian University in Dubai will now accept Shiba Inu as a way to pay fees, which is a first. The Canadian University has chosen to accept all cryptocurrencies that Binance Pay works with. Shiba Inu is one of them. Before this, there was work between Canadian University, Dubai, and Binance, which was revealed on Twitter. The goal is to promote crypto payments that don't need to be processed by a person. Inu has taken a big step forward because Canadian University, Dubai is one of the best schools in the area. Shiba Inu owners can now sign up for any program they want after this development. They can use their Shiba Inu assets to pay their fees. As the new week starts, crypto whales are out in full force, moving an amazing $2,825 million in XRP and Polygon. Whale Alert, a crypto address tracker, has seen a lot of trades in the last 36 hours.